Hey guys, if you want to know how I made this prom dress in less than a week, yes, that's right. I made this prom dress in less than 1 week. Stay tuned. So I went to Rosa's Fabrics in Atlanta and they have a lot of beaded fabric, brocades, tulle, you name it, even the most popular. You see these? I know y'all seen those. But this is what I picked out. She wanted this blue and silver and I underlined it with this blue. Beautiful. So now we're headed back to Birmingham and got a bit of a ride, but it's okay. I really wish that we had fabric stores like this back in Birmingham, but it's okay. Like I'll take the little 2 hour drive. I also have contacts for some vendors out there at Fashion District in LA. Yeah, Fashion District in LA. But I could not find a number today, and I was just like, let's take a drive. So we're headed back. So to save time, I went ahead and did mini clips here where you see I used my tape to draw out my lines and then I got the paper and I corrected it. So the middle video here I have some corrections that I made, and then also I'm going to outline where my mesh will be. Here are the details of the dress with her measurements and some minor details. I'm going to remeasure my mannequin, the bust and the waist, just to make sure that I have that here. And I write that down. So now you'll see me write down both the mannequin and my client's measurements. And there are a few differences. So in this clip here, I have the dress form measurements and my client measurements. There's not that much in detail as far as a big difference. However, we had a difference in one. I had to take away 1 inch in the waist and add 2.5 to 3 inches. So what you'll do is you'll take that measurement and divide that by 4, because we have 4 sides: left, front, right, back, left. Divided that by 4, and then it shows you the difference. So you'll add or take away that amount in your side seams, or you can do it equally through all your pattern pieces, but I just added it to my side seam, as you see at the bottom clip here. Just add a little bit and I took it away. Yeah, simple. Now once all of the technical part is done, it's the fun part, which I believe that the preparation takes longer than the construction. So you'll see me, lay out all my pattern pieces, make sure they're facing in the right direction, or up or down, depending on how I'm laying my fabric. And I have to pin those in place and I cut them out. Now I'm going to lay the patterns back over the beaded fabric. So what I'm doing is I'm marrying the fabrics together, if that makes sense. I'm like cutting them. I'm going to sew them as one. Well, for my bottom, I went ahead and serged my ends just to make it easy for me, and then so I could just sew it together as one. Or you could buy blue beaded fabric, but the most cost efficient route, we're going to go this way. Now look who joined me. Yeah, my mini me. She loves when I in here sewing because she's always draping herself. But now we're just pinning our pieces together so we can serge the ends. You'll see in just a second, just to make that one piece. We're going to pick out our thread, the one that matched closest to the material. Boom. And now we're going to get started. You're going to pin all the matching side seams together and sew them down with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Here I'm top stitching my mesh panel just to make sure that it's secure. We have all our pieces sewn together. We're going to add the boning to the lining, and then after that we're going to start doing the fun part, which is beading. Now I love this part. It takes the longest, but you can be creative. You just pin it, cut it down to where you like. So we wanted the top part to be heavily beaded, so we gave her just that. And you really want to make sure you take your time, making sure that it's secure all the way around. I like to pin it in place to see if I like it. And I'll step back and make sure that it looks good. If it doesn't, I'll take it down and put it in another spot. So it really takes time. So you have to dedicate a couple of hours just for the beading process, depending on how beaded the material is. But you know, look at me, girl, jamming. Yeah, get you some good music going or watch a good show. Sit back and just hand sew that down and make sure that it's secure. Now lastly, we're going to add our horsehair braid to the bottom just to finish it off. I like to sew it on the right side at the bottom very edge just to make sure that it's secure. Then I'll sew it. You see how it looks right there? Sew it on the bottom edge. Now you're going to take it and fold it under. And you see how it looks? Take some pins, pin it in place, and top stitch it down. And that's how it'll look at the bottom or under the dress. To finish it off, we're going to sew our zipper down and our closures, and then we're done. Look how it looks. Oh, she looks so pretty. Do you see those jewels just bouncing off the sun? Look at that. All right, till next time, let me know what you want to see next. Make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next video. Until next time, bye.